We've been reaching out to thousands of leads every single month, and that books us over 500 demos every single month. That's why in this video I'll showcase exactly how we source leads to be able to reach out to so many contacts without any deliverability issues and reach contacts that are actually interested in our products, not just any people. Without further ado, let me show you exactly how we do that. So what we use to supply our leads is Leadsforge. Leadsforge is a #1 search engine to find the best leads. It literally says that right here, and just in a few minutes you'll realize why. Leadsforge has over 500 million leads powered by waterfall enrichment. What that means is that it goes throughout multiple data providers to find the highest quality and most up-to-date data of emails and LinkedIn profiles and numbers, so the contacts that you get are actually relevant. You won't be reaching out to people that are no longer working for that company, or people that have changed their email or invalid emails, right? You'll only be paying for high-quality data, and using it is super simple. You sign up and you'll see something presented right here. You have customer profile, followers, company lookalikes, and signals. These are 4 ways that you can use to actually find leads. And we'll go one by one, showcasing how you can use each one, and you'll be able to pick for your use case, right? So customer profile. Basically, this is the most simple one. You basically describe your lead, your ICP, in natural plain language, and Leadsforge will go ahead, find you leads, ask you to confirm the examples, and find you more leads if needed, and you can export them, enrich them with information, and reach out to them. So for example, let's say you're looking out for companies that may be interested in content creation. What I could say is, find me SaaS tech companies focusing on B2C in the United States in content creation industry. Give me CMOs of the company. Now this simple prompt is all Leadsforge needs. What it will do is find the best filters based on your input to find the best leads possible. Of course, later on you can adjust the filters. You can talk to Leadsforge more to either expand your search or even focus more. But as you can see, we right away got 2,000 leads that we can use to enrich and reach out to. So for example, Linda, Bob Smith, right? Dennis, Michael. And now what we could do is just select the leads we want to enrich, either all leads or however many you want. Click Enrich 6 Found, click Enrich Contacts, and then select the data you want. You can find their work email, find LinkedIn always, or if email found, find mobile number, or replace contact with similar. So for example, if you want to enrich 1,000 contacts and some of them do not have an existing work email or phone number or whatever, what you can do is replace that contact with a similar contact. This way you will export and you will get 1,000 leads. Now for any data that's not validated, that's invalid, or that Leadsforge doesn't get, you won't use the credits, meaning you only spend your money on leads that are actually usable. None of that crap where you reach out to invalid mailboxes, right? What you can also do is do intent and signal. This is a different enrichment that allows you to sort leads by different intents and signals. So for example, maybe they launched a new product, maybe product hunt launch, maybe raising, right? What you can do is add the reason right here, and Leadsforge will use public data to find information and leads that match your signal. Now this is optional, but it can help you a lot if you're actually smart about it and you're creative about it. You could do, like, if you're selling marketing services, maybe you can ask if the people are looking for TikTok automation, whatever it is, right? Now if everything is okay, you can just click Start Enrichment, and your enrichment will begin searching for LinkedIn, searching for work email, searching for mobile phone number. Now, while it's enriching, you can actually go ahead and start doing another search. But for the sake of the video, let's just wait so I could show you what it will look like. Here we go. As you can see, we got their email, their LinkedIn profile, and we can use both to reach out to them. And reaching out to them is super simple. What you do is click Export and export it to an app like Salesforge, where you can do unlimited multi-channel outreach. Simple as that. Now, let's say you don't want to find leads by describing your ICP, and instead you want to reach out to followers or people using your competitors, right? You can do that by simply clicking on followers, search, and sending a company website or its LinkedIn profile. This way, Leadsforge will analyze the followers, the users of that company, and find people who engage with it and follow it. So for example, let's say Make UGC. It found a profile. We can now filter by contact location, job titles, department, seniority. So what you can do is just add your desired location, your desired job title, seniority, director, and find 100 followers. Click extract, and Leadsforge will go ahead and find contacts and their data so you could reach out to people who you know need your product because they're interested in your competitors. That's the exact type of lead that we outreach to that generates us these amazing results and allows us to book 500 demos every single month. Now, this search may take up to 24 hours, but once that's done, it will be similar to the leads we enriched, and you can export them, plug them into Salesforge or any other cold outreach software, and reach out to those leads and get an insane reply rate. Now again, what you can do is find company lookalikes. If you don't want to find followers, if you don't want to search by customer's profile, what you can do is just find company lookalikes. So here, you'll just add company domains and find similar companies. So this could be domains of your existing clients. Maybe you're working with lead generation agencies. Maybe you're working with content creation tools, maybe outreach software. So what you could do is literally just say Salesforge.ai, Leadsforge.ai, Warmforge.ai, and it will go ahead and find similar companies that you can reach out to. So if you have a great client and you want more clients like him or her or it or whatever, you just input their domain and you'll find all the leads you want. Now what you can do is, again, filter by headquarters location, funding stage category, company size, whatever it is, and export as many leads as you want. Just click find, and you'll have leads good to go. You can enrich the contacts you found with their work email, LinkedIn, or mobile phone number as always. You can filter down by job titles, locations, companies, whatever it is, and get thousands of leads to reach out to just like that in a couple of minutes. Leads that are actually relevant because they're similar to the products and companies of your ideal customers, the people you are already working with. Now, lastly, what you can do is find leads by signals. This is one of the latest release on Leadsforge, and here's how it works. You go to it and you can find people based on job changing signals, acquisition signals, funding signals, or investor signals. Basically, whenever someone changes a job, you can reach out to them. Whenever a company gets acquired, you can reach out to them. Whenever a company raises, you can reach out to them. Or whenever companies or people are investing. Because these are the type of signals that showcase that these prospects may need services that you provide. So for example, let's say someone just raised funding. What you can do is select signal period, when the funding signal was announced, countries, categories, subcategories, industries, funding round, funding amount, employees, and founded rate. Now you can filter by all of that, then find the exact companies you want to work with, pitch them your product or service, and because they raised, they're probably going to be much easier to close. And that goes for other signals as well. Maybe job change. Maybe people change their job and previously they weren't using your product, but now they just might. So you can reach out again. Similarly, for acquisition, company got acquired. Maybe MyFitnessPal acquired Call.ai, maybe a different one, and you think you can add value to that product. You reach out to them, talk to them, pitch your product. And same for investor signals. If someone is investing in something, you can find those people as well. For example, select a signal period of last year, company location of United States, ticket size of at least $10,000. So let's find 10 people. And just like that, we found actually 36 people that we can enrich and reach out to. Again, enrichment is super simple. You select the leads you want to enrich, maybe all of them, maybe couple, click enrich contacts, and enrich contacts will be in your enriched tab where you can just export them, enrich further, for example, phone numbers or any other data, and export to your cold email outreach software, your CRM, or just download as CSV. Now, if you use Claude, OpenClaw, or any automation agent like Hermes, what you can do is connect Leadsforge via an API or an MCP. The connection is super simple. You add a new key, you connect it to Claude or whatever via MCP or API, and you can use Leadsforge directly with that agent. If you want a tutorial, I'll link it down in the comments below. And if you want to see how to use other products built by the Forge, for example, Salesforge that I mentioned previously, how to use it for unlimited email and LinkedIn outreach, or how to set up cold email infrastructure and keep it up with high deliverability, then I suggest you check out our channel or videos linked right here. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.